Hello children, today we are going to start chapter 8. The name of chapter 8 is Storage Devices. Children, before starting this chapter, I want to tell you about storage places. Children, the places where we store our things are called storage places. So let's begin chapter 8, Storage Devices. So let's start chapter 8, Storage Devices. Children, in this lesson we will learn the concept of storage and storage devices. Children, look at the given picture. These objects are used to store things. They are called storage places. See children, this is a cupboard. You keep your clothes, books and toys in a cupboard. So it is a storage place. Children, every day you carry your school bag. Your school bag is a storage place for keeping your books and notebooks. Children, where you keep your notebooks and books? In school bag only. So it is also storage place for keeping books and notebooks. Now next is refrigerator. A refrigerator is a storage place for keeping fruits, vegetables, cold drinks, chocolates and other eatables. Children, it is also a storage place because we keep vegetables, cold drinks, fruits. Refrigerator keeps very fresh and cold these things. Similarly, you can store the data of a computer in hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive and memory card. You can store games, letters, stories, drawing, songs, etc. in them. Children, in same way, we can store data, information, video, games, letters, stories, many things we can store in hard disk, CD, pen drive and memory card. These devices are called storage devices. You can use the stored data whenever you need it. Whenever you need, you can store in these devices. So here given some devices for store data. Now first device is hard disk. Children, hard disk looks like a box. Hard disk is like a box. It is fixed inside the CPU cabinet. Hard disk is already fixed inside the CPU box. It can store huge amount of data. Hard disk store many things because hard disk has a large places. Now next is pen drive. Pen drive, it is very small in size. See, it is pen drive. A pen drive is a small in size. It also stores huge amount of data but less than a hard disk. Pen drive has also large space but less than a hard disk. You can transfer data to another computer by using a pen drive. Children, if you want to transfer any data or any information, you can use pen drive because pen drive is used to transfer any data from one computer to another computer. Now next device is CD or DVD. It is shiny disk that is round in shape. See children, this is a CD. It is a shiny disk and this is round in shape. It can store less data than a hard disk and a pen drive. Children, it can store less data than hard disk and pen drive. It can be easily carried anywhere. It is easily carried one place to another place. Now next is memory card. See children, it is a memory card. It is small in size and used to store data in mobile phones and digital cameras. It can be taken out from these devices and used to view data on a computer screen. Children, memory card can store less data than CD, pen drive, hard disk. Now next is book exercise. Question number 1. Question number A. Fill in the blanks. 1. The objects that are used to store things are called storage places. Now next question. 2. Hard disk is fixed inside the CPU cabinet. 3. A CD or DVD is round in shape. 4. A pen drive is small in size. Now question number B. Write true or false. Question 1. Storage places are used to store things. Correct. So write T. Second, a computer can store only sound in storage devices. It is wrong sentence. So write here F. False. 3. A refrigerator is used to keep your books and notebooks. No. So write here F. 4. You can keep clothes, books and toys in a cupboard. It is true. Write here T. Question number 5. A memory card is very big in size. It is wrong sentence. So write here F. Children, question number C. Match the pictures with the correct storage places by using the same color in the blocks. Children, here given blocks 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have to color for matching them. So first, refrigerator. Which things you keep in your refrigerator? Books, CD, fruits and clothes. So correct answer is fruits. We keep fruits in refrigerator. So this is orange color. So color in orange should be. Refrigerator should be in orange color. Now next is cupboard. In cupboard, clothes we keep. So it is green in color. So color, which color do you? Green color. You color in green color. Now next is school bag. Books. We keep books in school bag. So it is in pink color. So you color in pink color. Now next is computer. We store CD in computer. So it is in blue color. So it is in blue color to match. Now next is D. Answer in one word. Question 1. Which storage place is used to keeping your books and notebooks? Answer school bag. Question number 2. Where do you store your clothes and toys? Answer cupboard. Question number 3. Where do you keep fruits, vegetables and cold drinks in your house? Answer refrigerator. Question number 4. Which storage devices is round in shape? CD, DVD. So book exercise also completed. Now let's begin copy work of lesson 8. So first of all children, you make 2 lines headline. In first line, write lesson 8. In second line, storage devices. Left corner, date and right corner, class work. After headline, write difficult words and first difficult word is storage. 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 You have to write 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next word is drive. Next word is drive. 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 And third is memory. 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 And fourth word is transfer. 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 Now fifth word is digital. digital, 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 digital. After difficult words, you have write question answer. So question number 1, what are storage devices? Put question mark. Answer, the devices that are used to store data are called storage devices. Now question number 2, name the devices that are used to store data. Answer, hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive and memory card. Children, copy work is also completed. You write in good and beautiful handwriting. Thank you everyone.